What if I told you that the real reason apple cider vinegar works for weight loss is not what most people think? And what if I told you that almost everyone using apple cider vinegar today is doing it the wrong way, and that one mistake is silently blocking their fat loss results? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll finally understand the real science behind apple cider vinegar, why it actually helps with weight loss, and how to use it correctly without damaging your health. But before we go any further, I want to ask you something very important. Right now, which country are you watching this video from, and what is your age? Comment below and let me know. I read every single comment. Now, apple cider vinegar has become one of the most talked about natural remedies in the world. Some people swear by it, some people hate it, and some people try it once and give up. You've probably heard claims like it melts fat, it detoxes your body, or it boosts metabolism overnight. Here's the truth most people never tell you. Apple cider vinegar does not magically burn fat. It does not work overnight. And it absolutely does not work if you keep eating the same way and expect miracles. So why does it still work for so many people? The answer lies in something much deeper than calories. Most people think weight loss is about eating less and moving more. But real, long-term weight loss is about hormones, especially insulin and blood sugar control. If your blood sugar is constantly spiking, your body stays in fat storage mode no matter how little you eat. This is where apple cider vinegar actually helps. When you eat carbs or sugar, your blood sugar rises. Your body releases insulin to manage that sugar. The problem is, high insulin tells your body to store fat. Low insulin allows your body to burn fat. Apple cider vinegar helps reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Research has shown that consuming it before meals can improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the release of glucose into the bloodstream. This means your body stores less fat in the first place. So no, apple cider vinegar is not burning fat directly. It's stopping your body from creating new fat. That's a massive difference most people completely misunderstand. Another huge reason apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss is appetite control. Let's be honest, most people don't gain weight because of one big meal. They gain weight because of constant snacking, cravings, emotional eating, and late-night hunger. Apple cider vinegar increases feelings of fullness. The acetic acid in it slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach. When digestion slows slightly, you stay full longer. That naturally reduces cravings and mindless eating without forcing yourself to starve. No extreme dieting, no willpower battles, just better control. There's another hidden benefit most people ignore: digestion. If your digestion is weak, your body struggles to absorb nutrients properly. Poor digestion leads to inflammation, bloating, fatigue, and slower metabolism. All of this makes weight loss much harder. Apple cider vinegar helps stimulate stomach acid and supports healthier digestion. A healthier gut environment supports better metabolism, better nutrient absorption, and improved energy levels. And when your gut is healthier, weight loss becomes easier instead of feeling like a constant fight. Now here's where most people mess everything up. They drink apple cider vinegar straight without diluting it. They take too much, thinking more is better. They drink it at random times with no consistency. Or they use cheap filtered vinegar with no mother. Then they complain about acid reflux, stomach pain, tooth damage, and say, apple cider vinegar doesn't work. The truth is, they were using it wrong. The correct way is simple but powerful. Always use raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. Mix 1 tablespoon in a full glass of water. Drink it before meals, especially meals high in carbs. If you're sensitive, start with 1 teaspoon and slowly build up. Never drink it straight, never overdo it, and never assume it replaces healthy eating. Consistency beats quantity every single time. It's also important to be honest. Apple cider vinegar is not for everyone. If you suffer from severe acid reflux, stomach ulcers, kidney issues, or very low potassium levels, you should avoid it or consult a doctor first. Your health always comes before weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is not a shortcut, it is a tool. A tool that supports blood sugar control. A tool that reduces cravings. A tool that improves digestion. But tools only work when used correctly. Your diet still matters. Your sleep still matters. your stress levels still matter. Apple cider vinegar works best when it supports good habits, not when it's expected to fix bad ones. If you're still watching this video right now, you're already more serious about your health than most people. So again, tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from, and what is your age? I genuinely want to know who's on the other side of the screen. So remember this clearly. Apple cider vinegar works for weight loss. Not because it burns fat, but because it fixes the conditions that allow fat loss to happen. That's the real reason most people get completely wrong. If this video helped you understand the truth, make sure you like this video. Subscribe to the channel for honest health content and share this with someone who's struggling with weight loss. And don't forget to comment your country and age below. I'll see you in the next video.